Hello and welcome to the Side One YouTube channel. My name is Ray, and in this video we're unboxing a new toy. In this case it's a UV resin curing lamp at 405 nanometers, 60 watt. So let's see what we got. This set me back $33.99 Australian dollars, and it arrived in less than a week. Purchased via eBay. So in the box we got the lamp that comes in a plastic bag. On the back it tells us it's 60 watts and 405 nanometer. I will have to try and translate the rest of it. Looks to be in Chinese. Comes with a lead. On the end of the lead it's Australian standard plug, 2-pin, so it's saying it's double insulated, and it has a switch on the lead to turn it on and off. This looks like it could be mounted similar to a floodlight. 60 watt UV floodlight. Very interesting. So I'm going to untwist this, plug it in and see what it's like. Please wear safety glasses when you're, the filter type safety lenses when you're using one of these, so that you don't get hurt. So it's plugged in, currently turned off, and you can see it produces a UV type light. Now the reason I purchased this one is for curing parts that will not fit into my enclosure. So when you're dealing with resin prints, you can join parts together by using liquid resin, painting it on the joins and then curing it under the UV light. Normally in my wash and cure station, I sit the parts on a turntable with a cover over it that protects against the UV light, and then turn it on for a period of time, and the turntable will rotate it against the UV lamps that are in the mast. But I do have some components, and when I start gluing them together they will not fit in that enclosure, so this should do that job nicely. For those of you who have been following my Fred build, I have a whole new set of parts that I've printed out in resin. They are relatively thin and look quite good, printed out in a resin. I've got to do a little bit of post-processing and glue them together, and I'll be using this lamp to do the curing of that glue. The glue being resin itself, being the best method to glue resin parts together with. That'll do for this video. If you like these videos, don't forget to click on like, subscribe, ring that notification bell. It's a form of support that helps the channel a great deal and costs you absolutely nothing. If you'd like to help the channel further, I do have a Patreon account, and you can join my VIP patrons Go Lucky and Lawrence Berger, and my builder patron El Morales 45 in supporting the channel. They do get all these videos early compared to YouTube, and their support is greatly appreciated. It helps me afford to buy things like this device. If you have any questions, don't forget to ask in the comments or drop into Discord. There will be a link in the description. I'm in Discord almost daily. And we will see you in the next video.